On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money from home as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. Everything that I'm going to show you is free and it is very easy for you to do. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. I'll be showing you the best product that you can promote and a free traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can make money from home as a complete beginner. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Teespring or you can join ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the best affiliate marketplace where you can find a lot of different products to promote. They have a lot of high paying offers that you can promote to earn money. But one challenge is that ClickBank is not available worldwide. It is available in certain countries. So if ClickBank is allowed in your country, what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can find high paying offers to promote. But in this case, what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be using Teespring. Teespring is also available worldwide. So you can sign up for Teespring if ClickBank is not allowed in your country. Once you create your accounts on Teespring, what you have to do is that you have to find an offer to promote. To find an offer, you have to click on Marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. When I scroll down, you can see an offer that you can promote. You can see this is an offer that you can promote. This is the amount that you're going to earn per every sale that you get. $122.81 per every sale that you get. You can see another one, you're going to be earning $135.72 per every sale that you get. There are many offers. So what you have to do is that you have to select any of them that you want and then promote it. Apart from these products, you can come right here and then select a category of products. For example, if you want physical products, just click on physical products. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare. So when you click on it, you get about 11 products that you can promote to make money. You can see supplements. When you click on it, there are about 156 products that you can promote to make money from home. Apart from the physical products, you can see they also have digital products. So when you click on it, you can see these are subcategories of digital products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different digital products that you can promote. So what you have to do is that you have to select the specific category that you want so that you can get offers to promote. You can see they have education, family and kids, fashion, fiction, fitness and health, food and drinks, games and fun, and many others. So any of these categories that you like, you can just click on it and then select offers to promote. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting an offer under the fitness and health category. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, fitness and health. Once you click on it, you can see these are products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see the first one, you are going to be earning $33.49 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, you can see many other products that you can promote. You can see the next one, you are going to earn the same amount, $33.49 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see many other products that you can promote. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $108.68 per every sale that you get. The next one, you can see the ultimate keto meal plan. You are going to be earning $102.47 per every sale that you get. So you can select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, the ultimate keto plan. So what you have to do is that you have to click on copy promo link. Once you click on sales page, you're going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. So your potential visitors have to watch a video before they can purchase the product. They have to watch the video. Once they watch the video, they can get access to free keto meal plan. So what you have to do is that you have to get people to view this landing page. Once you get people to view it, they can click on play so that they will watch the video. Once they watch the video and then get access to the keto meal plan, you are going to be paid. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page of the product. As you can see, watch this video in full right now. Your access link to download your keto recipe will appear at the end of your video. So your potential visitors, they have to watch the full video. Once they watch it, a link will pop up so that they can get access to keto meal plan. So this is exactly what your potential visitors are going to see. Now what you have to do is that you have to build a landing page so that people can click on your link and then get access to this page so that they can watch the video and then get access to the keto meal plan. Once they get access to the keto meal plan, you are going to be paid. So what you have to do is that you have to build a simple landing page. To build a landing page, what you have to do is that you have to search for site.google.com. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first site. Once you click on it, a page is going to open like this. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to build a simple landing page. So click right here, blank site, so that you can build a new landing page. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin building your landing page. To build the landing page, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to delete this header. So click right here, delete, so that the header can be deleted. Once the header is deleted, the next step is that you have to write some text here. So you can click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you can write any catchy title here that will get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. In this case, I have my title, so let me paste it right here. As you can see, this is my title. Once you have your title, you can increase the font size. So let's increase the font size. Once you increase the font size, click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any font size that you want. Let's select 18. As you can see, that has been done. Once you increase the font size, you can change the font style. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can choose any font style that you want. Just select any of them that you want. I'm going to go with this font size. As you can see, once you have selected the font style, you can change the color of some text. So let me change the color of this text. So just change it to any color that you want. You can change it to blue. That does not stand out, so let's select red. I think this is okay. You can change the color of any text that you want. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload an image here. So you can come back on the product landing page. Once you're on the product landing page, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to snap this page so that you can use it as an image in your landing page. So we are going to snap this page. Just highlight the portion that you want to snap. Highlight the portions that you want. Just highlight the portions that you want. Once you highlight the portion that you want to snap, you can save your image so that you can use it in your landing page. Once you have your image, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, image. Once you click on it, select upload. Once that is done, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. What you have to do is that you have to expand it. So let's drag it and expand it. As you can see, that has been done. You can see the image has been expanded. You can see everything. You can position it at the middle. So let's drag it this way. As you can see, everything has been done. Now once you have your image, the next step is that you have to write a call to action here. So click on text box. Once you click on text box, you can type any call to action that you want. So let's type something like, click here to watch the full video. Something like this. Click here to watch the full video. Once you have your call to action like this, you can highlight it and then increase the font size. So let's increase it to 36. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can highlight it and then click on the alignment. Once you click on it, you can align it at the center. As you can see, that has been done. Now once this is done, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Get Student for. Once you come back, click on copy promo link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Once you copy your affiliate link, come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, click on insert link. Once you click on insert link, what you have to do is that you have to paste your affiliate link here. Click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Apart from that, some people might see this image as a real video link. So what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link here so that when people click on this image, they can be directed to the landing page of the product. So you have to select the image. Once you select it, click on insert link. Once that is done, paste your affiliate link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your landing page, everything is complete. The next step is that you have to preview it. To preview your landing page, click right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is the preview of your landing page on desktop. So people who are going to watch your landing page on desktop, they are going to see it like this. Once that is done, you can also select mobile so that you can see how it will appear on mobile devices. You can see this is how it is going to appear on mobile devices. You can see everything. So now we know that the landing page is responsive on any device. So once we get to know this, the next step is that we have to publish our landing page. To publish our landing page, click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you have to give a web address. So let's type keto-3b. keto-3b. Just type any web address that is available. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to click right here, publish, so that your landing page can be published. As you can see, your landing page has been published. You can click right here, view. Once you click on view, it is going to open like this. This is your landing page. You can see everything is nice. Now once you have your landing page, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to click on your call to action and then purchase the product so that you can be making money from home. One of the best places that you can promote your landing page is Facebook. Facebook is a large social media platform where you can get a lot of groups to join so that you can promote your landing page. Apart from that, you can also contact people individually through their inbox so that you can get them to purchase the product for you to make money. For example, if you want to join groups, what you have to do is that you have to search for the type of group that you want to join. In this case, the product is keto diet. So what you have to do is that just type keto diet. Type keto diet. Once you type keto diet, you'll be able to get a lot of different groups that you can join. As you can see, these are groups that you can join: keto diet and low carb recipe. You can join this group. Apart from this group, there are many of them. When you click on see more, there are many other groups that you can join to promote your landing page. Once you click on see more, you can see a lot of different groups that you can join to promote your landing page. You can see a whole lot of them. Join as many as you want so that you can promote your landing page. You can see a whole lot of them. Join the one that you want so that you can promote your landing page to get people to purchase the product. You can see a whole lot of them. This group right here, you can see it is an active group. They get up to 10 plus posts per day, so it means this group is an active group. There are groups that have many followers but they are not active. For example, when you look at this group right here, you can see the members are 121k members, but it is not an active group. You can see 3 posts a month, meaning it is not an active group. But when you look at a small group like this, you can see 8.2k members. They get up to 10 plus posts per day. That means this group is active than the one with large numbers. So it does not matter the number of members in the group. What you have to consider is how active the group is. You can see this one many followers and it is not active. This one fewer followers but it is active. When you scroll down, you can see this one right here. The members are more than this one right here, but this one is not active. You can see 5 posts a day, whilst this one with fewer members are getting more than 10 posts per day. So what you have to do is that you have to join the active ones so that you can be able to promote your landing page. Do not join a group because they have many members. Consider the activity. Is it an active group? If it is an active group, you can join. You can see this large group here, 222k members, but it is not an active group. You can see 8 posts a month. So avoid groups like this. But you can join a group like this. It has 36k members, but it is active, so you can click on it and then join. Once you join, you can be able to promote your landing page on this group for free without paying for anything. So just click on join so that you can join as a member of this group. You can see I've been able to join. Once you join the group, the next step is that you have to begin promoting your landing page here. So you can see a whole lot of different posts that people have made in the group. So you can promote your landing page in this group. To promote your landing page, you can either make a post or you can target people individually and then get people to click on your landing page so that you can be making money from home. So I'm going to make a post before I show you how to contact people to click on your link and then buy the product. So let's make a post. To make a post, click on write something. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. So now you can make a post. To make a post, you can write something here that will invite people to click on your link and then purchase the product. You can use ChatGPT to write a Facebook post for you, or you can write it yourself. I prefer to use ChatGPT. So once you have your post written, what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. So highlight everything and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your post. You can see everything in the post. Now what you have to do is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So you can type something like click this link to get access. You can type a call to action like this: click this link to get access now. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to paste the link to your landing page here. So you have to come back on your landing page. Once you come back, click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you can be able to copy the link to your landing page. So it will appear right here. You can see it. Click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. On Facebook, Google site websites are allowed, so your link is not going to be removed. It is allowed to post Google site links on Facebook. The next step is that you have to post it. So click right here, post. Once you click on it, you can see it is posting, so you have to wait for it to post. Just wait for it, it will be posted onto the group. You can see it has been submitted. You can see your post right here. Once the administrator approves it, it is going to be live on the group. You can see it right here. So when the members click on learn more, they are going to get access to your landing page so that they can purchase the product. Apart from posting in the groups, you can target people individually. So what you have to do is that you have to target people who are active on the platform so that you can get them to purchase the product. For example, you can see right here someone has made a comment. So not allowed on a keto diet, so this is not allowed. And you can see the next one. You can contact them individually so that you can get them to purchase the product that you are promoting. There are many people who are commenting, so just click on any of them that you want. Once you click on them, you can send them a message so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. For example, I'm going to target this person right here. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, reply. Once you click on reply, you can be able to paste your message. So just paste a message right here, type a comment. You can type a comment like this. What I prefer to do is that you have to enter the name of the person you are replying to. Just enter the name right here. You can see hey, then you enter the name of the person right here. Once you enter the name of the person, you can make a post. The person will reply to you so that you can send the link to your landing page to them so that they can purchase the product. Make sure you do not send a direct affiliate link, so always promote the link to your landing page. You can also send a message to their inbox so that you can get them to click on your affiliate links. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.